I think you have.
There's like a bajillion of them.
Okay, let's go for it. Grab a cookie.
Okay. Wait, both of them or just one?
Try one first, and if it looks like you need to add more, we'll add another one.
Okay.
And you want to crack them up.
Oh. This feels like some...
You could always pick it up with your hand and smash it around a little first, and then...
It's kind of dry. Oh, so I need to use the bathroom.
Oh.
Like...
Do you want to do it now or after?
I mean, like... I do have to go, but like at the same time, it's kind of weird to do that as soon as I start.
So let's just get this done, and then you can go.
Okay. Stabbity stabby.
If you want to use both, it's fine.
Okay. I mean, like, it doesn't feel like enough, so I think I'll use both.
Okay.
How much should I crush it up?
You basically want to make it into a paste, but that'll happen when we add the milk too and mix. So I guess right now just
like,
powder it
not
up
like,
as much.
It's not like an Oreo, so.
Yeah. Supposedly you can do it with any cookie, so I guess we're about to find out.
Is this fact or fiction with... Smushity, smushity. Cookie. Smushity. Why are you zooming in so much?
To see the cookie. Try smashing like this way too. I mean, like taking like actually like crushing it against the sides, like. But I would turn like use the back of the fork to crush, because you can get a flatter surface against the side of the thing.
What if I break the mug?
You'd have to be using a lot of force to do that.
True. You think that's good enough?
Okay.
I wanna can I just a little bit?
Eat cookies.
Oh, wowzers, guys. It's like so delicious, guys. Oh, literally me, guys. Cookie cake, more like cookie crumble.
Okay, there's a couple chunks in there still, but it should be fine. Add some milk. And if you want to add the coffee cream too, that's fine. Because after you add these, you're going to mix them. So.
How much should I add?
Let's just add and see. I don't actually know. It's probably good. And if we need more, we can add more. But we definitely can't subtract.
Okay, but like, do not ever add too much of this stuff. It will overpower the taste of everything, and then you won't be able to taste anything but hazelnuts.
That's French vanilla.
Oh, okay. Hazelnuts.
Okay, you wanna mix.
This actually looks like legitimately really good though.
It's milk and cookies.
Cookies and milk. This is basically how I make tea, but you're replacing all the water for a cookie. Do you think that I added too much?
Not necessarily. We'll find out though. Once we nuke it, we'll see what happens.
Hot chocolate, more like cold cookie. I don't know what this is, honestly. Delicious.
It looks like it might be the right texture. All right, let's throw it in the microwave.
This tastes like pure chocolate milk.
Let's throw it in and then set it for 1 minute, for 60 seconds.
Where do I put the fork?
Hang on to it. You're gonna need to eat it.
Yeah, but I need to use the bathroom.
Well, hang on to it for now. We're just gonna do this for 60 seconds real quick. Okay, pulls them in, do 60 and start. All right.
What? I don't know what else to do.
30 seconds.
I didn't. Never mind.
15.
The cup in there is really going. Creep.
Yeah. Okay.
Delicious. Oh
Let's
God,
see
it
if
smells
it
good.
cooked. It cooked.
Oh, I mean like it cooked, but I don't know if it's enough. You think it cooked enough?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, we're about to find
there's
out.
bubbles in it though.
Yeah, that happens sometimes. It's gonna be hot, so be careful. Stick it through. See if it feels like it cooked all the way through, or if we need
No.
to. No. How Okay. Should we put it in more?
Yeah.
Okay. Throw it in more. Let's do like 30 seconds. How's it taste?
It's good though. I meant to hold it by the handle.
Oh,
I did not. I
yeah.
did not hold it by the handle.
Your sister did that too.
Blip.
Okay. Let's check it out.
What if it like explodes?
I think it would have done that already.
Why is it making that noise?
Oh, nice.
It's crackling.
Yeah, it's sizzling.
It's like sizzling off.
Let's check it out.
Oh, wowzers, guys. Okay, I mean, like, it's like the same exact texture, but you know what?
Even if you poke it through?
Jello,
Maybe it's a spongy.
maybe I added too much milk.
It's possible.
Oh, well, these it doesn't look like it would taste bad, though. Scoop.
So you made chocolate chip flan.
I'm very uncultured. What is flan?
It's a different kind of cake.
Right. I've had that before, right? What
Yeah.
was it?
It's like it's very spongy.
Oh, okay.
Is it good?
I mean, like, I can only taste this temperature as of right now.
Oh. Okay, go use the bathroom, and when you come down, maybe it'll cool off enough.